So we're back on the Chrysler 300. Steve's got Terry, Liam and Noxie on it just to get a good hit out on it. So compliance date's the 24th, so they're hoping to get it in then, get it ready. Maybe a bit earlier if they can, but 24th is the date for that to go through. Yeah, so we've got Liam finishing up some body work, putting some filler in the rust patches. Unfortunately, I was a bit slow on the getting some footage for that of the patches. Terry's sort of figuring out the rear bumper and Noxie's on the front bumper and a few other bits and pieces. So we'll throw up a time lapse of that and get into it. Right, so we've got our patch here. She's all primed up, bit of filler. She come up not too bad. Obviously still needs a little bit of finishing up, but sweet, no more rust. And the other bit on the sill. Done. Still got a bit up through there that I'm working on. There. And I put the little patch in there. Still a good whack there. That might have to go up to the body shop. Get that one done. So they obviously smashed or cracked the original window here because they put a bit of perspex in there. So that's going to have to go on the list. The corner window. That one over there. Oh, there's broken glass down in there. Yup. Or throw the perspex in. Nah. Stuff that. Need a window. Upholstery seats must be the seat bases, and the front seats are at the upholstery getting redone now. He's got some carpet for it to throw in. motor's all good to go. I think the boys are going to get ready to drop that in, so we'll whack up another time lapse of that. Right, there you have it, motor's in. Just got to button up the bolt-on bits, tuck the radiator back in. Just running the old factory manifolds. Was that carburetor on it?
Yeah, 750.
750. So you haven't chucked anything extra on here, it's just what came with it, factory's just going back in it?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, stock manifold, on it.
Except for the Edelbrock air cleaner, it's going to add 20 horse. Hey, 100 horsepower. Good old Edelbrock. Oh yeah, spot on mate, spot on. Woo-wee. Oh, much better too, look.
Hanging off the gun.
Yeah, a lot thicker than the first one.
Yeah.
George.
Yeah, because that was tacky. Rubber everywhere.
Yeah. Not so much on the tyre though. Awesome coon, Falcon. Running a 460. Mean, bloody mean. Ready to go down the strip?
Yeah, bro. Oh, we'll be when that's on the passenger floor.
What's that?
Look on the passenger floor. And that's strapped to it.
Oh my gosh. Let's go and have a closer look at that. So this thing's running a 460. What gearbox you got in it?
C6.
C6. But you're getting another motor built for it.
Yeah. And we're going to put redo the C6 to cope with a bit more power.
So
maybe around 1,000.
460, gunning for 1,000 horse.
Yeah. We're going to go Ford Racing block.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We've got A-bar heads and strap that puppy to it.
All the good stuff.
Yeah.
Dang. You got to do it properly, eh, man?
Yeah, take a shortcut.
Yep. Go big. Should push it along, all right. Very cool. I love the orange stripes with the grey too. Wicked. Got a cage set up in there too. It's been down the drag strip a few times, this thing. X-drag car. Love it. How much oil did you put in this? 5 quarts. Sort of looks full.
Doesn't matter if we put that additive in as well.
It's coming out the bottom. Bloody joker.
Been cheeky that, eh? Be like, where's it all going?
Yeah. Up the exhaust?
Yeah.
Shall we go look?
Oh, we're almost there.
Going.
That's where it's all
That's
going.
all it's going. Look at that little pinprick. Where? Oh, just out there. Out the sensor. Who put that in?
What do you say?
Steve.
Yeah.
Can't blame all that shit on the boss, mate.
Bloody oath.
Throw in the water.
If you're quick enough, put your finger over.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. Put some seal in.
Do you want me to plug it? Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's the one. Two as well. You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You got enough on there, Liam?
Yeah, I think so.
Hopefully that does it.
That's the rest of your hose.
Baffle.
See those baffles? That's what Brendan needs.
One day.
One
Baby
day.
steps, mate.
One-
Baby steps. Just spent the money on some decent bloody rock covers.
Cheaped
Start,
out, eh?
eh?
Cheaped
Yeah.
out.
Cheaped out.
Always bites you in the ass, I tell ya.
So how much is, what's that container? Almost half a litre.
1 pint.
A point.
Pint. And that's done.
Got that. Oh yeah, so what have you done there? You put a mark on the balancer.
Mark on the balancer so I can see it better. So that's done.
Oh,
That's
water.
done. Do you want to just check our sump plug here, Liam, please?
Yep.
It's all on.
Oh. I don't know.
I may do it.
We're in neutral.
Park.
Park.
See if it'll go.
Neggy.
Nothing?
Nada. Zip. No bueno. No ignition lights.
Well, we've got a pretty well a dead battery.
Do you want to get the old big one that was in mine?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Should have started with that.
Oops.
Oh, you carry it. Oh, we got some spark
Oh.
there. Got power.
Sparkulators. Ignition lights. Morn.
Nothing.
Nothing. Bugger. Sparky's on call. Put up the bat signal.
I need your expertise at some point for this Chrysler. For the Chrysler. Yeah. No, I had enough and I went home and yeah, I know. Should have hung around a bit, would have had it running by now. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't know, we've done some bloody thing. You'll be able to figure it out quicker than me.
No
Good.
power.
Thanks, man.
Calling the auto Sparky. Alright guys, this is going to do it for this video. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the 300 fired up. And we'll catch you on the next one where hopefully we do get it fired up and going. And we'll show you the new upholstery. And thanks Alan. See you on the next one. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, tell your friends. See you later.